Today we learned how to write the number from 0 to 10. The first one is this one. It means 1. In Cantonese it read as yat. In Mandarin, yi. And the writing is very simple, just 1 9. Okay. The second number is this one. It means 2. In Cantonese it read as yi. In Mandarin, and it writes in this way: 1 short 9, 1 long 9. You can think in this way. You write the 1 first and put a short 9 at top. It is 2. Now we learn this number. It means 3. In Cantonese, Saum. Mandarin, san. And it writes in this way: at top 2 short 9s and at the bottom 1 long 9. So that you can see that actually it followed by 1 and then 2 and then 3. Now we learn this number. It means 5. In Cantonese it read as ng, but it is quite difficult, so nowadays a lot of people read in this way. In Mandarin, wu. It writes in this way. I do it again. If you think it is difficult, you can try to write it in this way. You write 3 first, and then write a long 9 and 1 short 9. It is also 5. Now we learn this number. It means 8. In Cantonese it read as ba. In Mandarin, ba. And the handwriting is quite different with the printing version. You just need to write 2 short slope and with a wide open here. Okay, so it writes in this way. Okay. Now we learned to write the 6. This number, that means 6. In Cantonese it read as lok. In Mandarin, liu. And when we write, we can write a 1 first and then a dash downward sloping from left to right, and then at the bottom you can write a small 8. That's it. Okay, this part is similar to a 8, but more wide open here. Okay, I write again. Now we learn this number. It means 4. In Cantonese it is sei. In Mandarin, si. The handwriting is also quite different from the printing version. You write a rectangle first, and inside you can just need to write 2 vertical lines, and they are close to each other, or you can write in this way. You can put a small H inside. It is also sei or si. Okay, I do it again. A rectangle, 2 straight lines, or a small H inside. Now we learn this number. It means 10. In Cantonese, sub. In Mandarin, 10. It is very easy, just like to write a cross. Yeah, that's it. Now we learn this number. It means 7 in Cantonese. 7. Mandarin. 7. It writes in this way. You can think it is similar to the T, but you just make this line longer. Or you can think in this way. You write a 10 first, and then make this one longer, put a 9 here. Or you can think in this way. You write a 1, and then write a capital L. Now we learn this number. It means 9 in Cantonese. It read as 9. In Mandarin, 9. Now we try to write. So it writes in this way. This way is a bit difficult, so you can think in this way. You write a 10 first, but at the end you try to make a little curve, and then you do a capital L here, and with a little hook. Okay, after you familiar with this one, you can make this one more smooth. Okay, so just like this one. Yep, little hook like this one. Okay, but if you can do in this way, it is also okay. Now we learn this one. It means 0 in Cantonese, 0. In Mandarin, 0. This one is it looks very complicated, but it forms by a lot of words, so that if you can learn this one, you can learn a lot of other words. For example, at the top, it's formed by, it is rain, and in the middle it is ren, that means people, and it also formed by now, and this one means the command. Okay, so we try to write. Okay, so the whole thing is right in this way. We write a ring first. Okay, you can see that this part is, it doesn't have to follow the printing version. I think, and this one means ring, and this one is people, and we put a dash and then a 7. This thing means now, and one more dash at the bottom, it means the command. So it's followed by a ring, 4 dash. This 4 dash is it means the ring, and then a people, and under the people we put a dash and 7. It is now, and a now, put one more dash, it is command. So when you learn, you can write the 0, you can write 4 more words.